Looking for the best polisher for cars? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we've tested top models to help you find the perfect fit. Stick around to discover the best polisher for cars for beginners and options for professional level detailing that make every vehicle shine. Let's dive in. Number 1. Chemical Guys TORQX Polisher for Cars. The Chemical Guys TORQX Polisher, BUF 503, is ideal for anyone serious about detailing. Its dual-action motion safely removes swirls, scratches, water spots, and oxidation, giving your paint a deep, glossy finish. The 700W motor with 8mm orbit technology delivers the right balance of power and control, perfect for polishing, waxing, and paint correction. At just 4.7 pounds, it's lightweight and comfortable for longer sessions. It works with polishing, compounding, and finishing pads, making it versatile for waxes, sealants, and glazes. Compact, precise, and easy to use, this polisher brings professional results to your garage. Number 2. LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher for Cars. The LDHTHOPI 1600W polisher handles tough oxidation, scratches, and stains with ease, giving cars and other surfaces a showroom shine. With 7 adjustable speeds, 1,000 to 3,500 revolutions per minute, and 3 ways to hold it, directly, D-handle, or side handle, you get complete control and comfort for long detailing sessions. Includes 7 pads for every need, deep scratches, shine enhancement, and fine swirl removal. Beyond cars, it works on furniture, floors, boats, wood, metal, and marble, making it a versatile addition to any detailing toolkit. Number 3. Protmex Buffer Polisher for Cars. The Protmex Buffer Polisher features an upgraded eccentric design and pure copper motor, delivering smooth, consistent power without over-polishing or burning your paint. It's cordless and lightweight, 3.3 pounds, with 6 adjustable speeds, 2,800 to 5,500 revolutions per minute, perfect for delicate spots or tough swirls. The kit includes sponge, wave sponge, and wool pads, making it versatile for cars, furniture, wood, metal, and ceramics. Dual batteries ensure uninterrupted polishing, and 24/7 support adds peace of mind. Number 4. GEVEELIFE Buffer Polisher for Cars. The GEVEELIFE 1600W polisher delivers professional results at home. Its powerful motor handles scratches, stains, and oxidation with ease, while the constant power control board ensures smooth, quiet operation without overheating. With 7 adjustable speeds and a lightweight 4.5-pound body, it's easy to handle. Detachable D-handle and side handle improve grip, and the safety switch lock keeps speed consistent. Comes with sponge, wool, and sandpaper pads, suitable for cars, boats, furniture, floors, wood, and metal. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's a reliable, versatile tool. Number 5. Avhrit Buffer Polisher for Cars. The Avhrit Cordless Polisher makes detailing simple and cordless. Its high-speed 6,000 revolutions per minute motor is quiet yet powerful, ideal for beginners and pros. At just 3 pounds with an ergonomic handle, it's easy to maneuver for long sessions. Dual 21V batteries with a fast charger ensure uninterrupted use. The 6-inch hook and loop backing plate and included foam and wool pads make swapping pads easy. Works on cars, boats, furniture, wood, leather, and tiles, compact, versatile, and efficient. Thanks for watching. Now you know the top options for the best polisher for cars to elevate your detailing game. Check the latest prices on Amazon and explore which one suits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which polisher you try first.